Which of the following procedures will be an auditor likely to perform in the planning stage of a financial statement audit? Okay, let's take a look at the answers and see what do we do in the planning stage. Obtain a signed agreement letter from the client's management. Do we do this during the planning stage? Is it something that we do during the planning stage? And the answer is yes. You want to kind of gain an understanding with the client, and this is when you will get a signed engagement letter. Now the question is, well, I'll keep that for later. But yes, getting a signed engagement letter is something that you do in the planning stage. Therefore, we keep A, we take out B, we keep C, take out D. All we have to find out now is if 2 is a correct or incorrect statement. If 2 is correct, C is the answer. If 2 is incorrect, 1 is the answer. Examining documents to detect violation of laws and regulation having a material effect on the financial statement. Look, this statement sounds correct, sounds reasonable, sounds like a good answer. Okay, it is. We do examine documents to detect violation of laws and regulation that have a material effect on the financial statements. We do that. That's not, the question is, do we do it during the planning stage? And the answer is no. We do this when we are basically collecting evidence, or maybe we might do it as a final step if we missed something toward the end. But definitely we don't do this in the planning stage. So remember, the statement is correct, and this is why auditing is tricky. You have to understand auditing, that what do you do during certain stage? You have a planning stage, you have the audit stage, which is during the audit, and you have the wrap-up, which is the end of the audit. So you have to know, what do we do in each stage? So in this stage, we only kind of obtain, for our purposes, among other things, we obtain an understanding, obtain a signed letter from the client's management, understanding our spelling out our responsibility and understanding the management responsibility. Therefore, the answer is A. So this is why auditing is tricky, because you see the right answer, but that's not what you do for now.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.